Hey everyone! Hope you're doing amazing. Today I'm going to show you an awesome AI tool called Anijam AI. With this tool you can create fully animated videos in just one click. Simply upload your story, and the AI will turn it into a complete video. It even supports videos up to 25 minutes long. Whether you want to create 3D animations, Pixar-style videos, stick animation, motion-controlled videos, horror scenes, or cinematic content, this tool can do it all. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and search for Anijam AI. Sign into your account, and you'll land on the main dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll notice that your account comes with 16,600 free credits, which you can use to generate AI videos. Now let's create our first video. The first thing you need to do is paste your story into the prompt box. I already have a story that I generated with ChatGPT, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. If you want, you can also upload a character image or any reference image to help the AI create more accurate and consistent visuals. Next, click on AI Video. Now open the settings panel. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, choose 720p for the resolution, and set the video duration to 15 seconds. Once everything looks good, click Submit. Give it a few moments. And just like that, your AI-generated video is ready. Let's hit play and check out the final result. Now let's take a look at some of the other features available inside this tool. First, we have AI Images. When you open this section, you can upload a reference image if you want the AI to follow a specific look or style. You can also enter your own prompt, choose from different AI image models, select a visual style, customize the color settings, and pick your preferred aspect ratio. Once everything is set, simply click Generate. One thing I really like is that image generation doesn't consume any credits. That means you can create unlimited AI images without worrying about credit limits. Next, let's move over to AI Video. As soon as you open it, you'll see several powerful AI video models available. You can choose from models like Kling, Seedance, Minimax, Hailuo, Sora 2, Google VO3, and many more. Each model displays the number of credits required to generate a video. For example, Seedance Pro typically uses between 25 and 120 credits, depending on your settings. Creating a video is very simple. Upload your starting frame, and if you want, you can also upload an ending frame to control how the animation finishes. Then enter your prompt, adjust the aspect ratio, choose the video quality, select the duration, and click Generate. If you'd like your video to include audio, you can simply turn on the sound option before generating. The platform also includes a powerful lip sync feature. You can upload an image or a video, choose either the standard or pro lip sync mode, and generate realistic talking characters. There are no extra upgrade restrictions for this feature, so you can start using it right away. Next is motion control. Here, you upload a reference motion video along with your character image. You can also add a prompt if you want, although it's optional. Then simply generate the animation. You have two different modes to choose from. The first mode copies the movements from your reference video, so your uploaded character performs the exact same actions. The second mode ignores the reference motion and animates your character entirely based on your text prompt. As you can see in this example, the uploaded character perfectly follows the movements from the reference video. Now let's check out the characters section. The platform comes with several ready-made characters that you can use immediately. Each character includes a full turnaround sheet with multiple viewing angles, along with an expression sheet for different emotions. These features also become available when you create your own custom character. If you prefer, you can build a completely original AI character from scratch using the Build Your Character option. Next, we have the voice section. Here you'll find tools like Voice Builder, Text-to-Speech, and Voice Changer. There's also a large voice library filled with different voices and speaking styles, so you can easily find one that matches your project. After that, we have AI Audio. In this section, you can generate background music, browse different music styles, and even add sound effects to make your videos more engaging. Now let's create a video using the AI agent. Go back to the home page and paste your prompt into the text box. If you want, You can also upload a character image, a reference image, or any other visual element you'd like the AI to use. This helps keep your characters and scenes more consistent throughout the video. Once everything is ready, click Submit. In a few seconds, you'll see an interface like this. Here, the AI generates a complete story outline, showing exactly how it understands your script. At the same time, it's analyzing your story and preparing the video creation process. Now you'll need to choose between two modes, AI Director Mode and Workflow Mode. With AI Director Mode, the AI handles everything automatically, from planning the scenes to generating the final video, so you don't have to do anything manually. Workflow Mode, on the other hand, gives you more control. You can edit scenes, customize visuals, and generate each part of the video exactly the way you want. For this tutorial, I'll choose AI Director Mode. Next, the AI will ask you a few simple questions. First, select your target audience. You can choose all ages, kids, or teenagers. I'll go with kids, but feel free to choose whatever fits your content. After that, select your platform. I'll keep it set to YouTube. Now choose your aspect ratio. I'll select 16:9, which is perfect for standard YouTube videos. Next is audio mode. Here, you can choose voiceover, music, or dialogue. I'll select dialogue so the characters can actually speak throughout the video. Now set the video duration. I'll choose 1.5 minutes. The estimated generation cost is calculated based on the length of your video. Once you've finished, click Confirm. Now, as you can see, the AI has automatically broken the story into multiple scenes and created a complete production workflow. It shows you everything, including the scene descriptions, visual style, locations, characters, objects, and all the details needed to generate the final video. The next step is the Style Library. Click on it, and you'll find a huge collection of visual styles. Browse through them and choose the one that best matches your story. I've already selected my favorite style. Now the AI asks us to design the concept. Simply click the button, and the AI will start generating the complete visual concept for your story. As you can see, it's now creating the entire concept automatically. Now, as you can see, our complete story outline has already been generated, and the concept creation process has started. This is where the AI begins generating all the images needed for the video. Next, it asks whether you want to generate all of the concepts at once or customize them individually. If you're not happy with the default suggestions, you can simply type your own instructions and tell the AI exactly what you want to change. For this tutorial, I'll generate all the concepts at once to save some time. So I'll click Generate All Concepts. And there we go. As you can see, all the images have been created successfully. Each character now has its own reference image. The locations have been generated, the objects are ready, and everything has automatically been added to the workflow. Now it's time to generate the actual video. Click on Start Video Generation. Depending on the length of your project, this may take a few minutes. Once the process is complete, you'll see a message saying that all 8 segments have been generated successfully. And here they are. The AI has divided our story into 8 different scenes, creating a complete 90-second video. The final step is to generate the narration. Simply click on Generate Narrator, wait a few moments, and that's it. Your AI-generated video is now ready to watch.
At dusk, Ava sits alone by the rain-streaked window, an old envelope resting in her trembling hands. A heartfelt letter she once wrote but never sent. She remembers a golden summer field, walking beside Leo, their laughter carried by the warm wind. A glance that lingered just a moment too long. Years later, on a crisp autumn evening, she steps out into the quiet streets, painted in amber and...
Once everything is ready, simply click Start Export, and your final video will be rendered. Overall, I personally think this is an amazing all-in-one AI video creation tool with a huge number of powerful features. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more amazing AI tools, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.